Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought, I'm just not good at this, or that's not my talent, or other people are smarter than me? If yes, you're not alone. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they believe they are. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a growth mindset, step by step, using 5 simple but powerful tasks that can completely change the way you think, learn, and succeed. This isn't motivational fluff. These are real actions you can start today. Let's begin.
The first step is awareness. A fixed mindset shows up in moments like fear of failure, avoiding challenges, giving up too quickly, feeling threatened by other people's success. Here's your task number 1. Catch your self-talk. For one day, pay attention to thoughts like, I can't do this, I'm not smart enough, I always mess things up. Don't judge yourself, just notice them, because you can't change what you don't see. Awareness is the doorway to growth.
This one word, yet, changes everything. I can't do this feels final. I can't do this yet feels possible. That's the difference between a closed door and an open one. Task number 2. Every time you catch a negative thought, add the word yet. Instead of, I'm bad at public speaking, say, I'm learning how to get better at public speaking. Instead of, I failed, say, I haven't figured it out yet. Your brain listens to your words. Feed it growth, not limits. Most people are obsessed with outcomes. The promotion, the money, the success, the praise. But a growth mindset focuses on effort, learning, and consistency. Failure isn't proof you're bad, it's proof you're trying. Task number 3. At the end of each day, ask yourself, what did I learn today? What challenge did I face? What effort did I put in? Even small progress counts. When you focus on the process, results become a side effect. People with a fixed mindset see failure as, I'm not good enough. People with a growth mindset see failure as, what can this teach me? Every mistake carries data. Task number 4. The next time you fail, write down what went wrong. What can I improve? What will I do differently next time? Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every successful person you admire failed more times than you can count.
Your mindset is shaped by what you consume. If you constantly hear negativity, excuses, and fear, you'll think that way too. Task number 5. Upgrade your environment. Watch content that challenges you. Listen to podcasts that inspire learning. Follow people who talk about growth, discipline, and improvement. You don't need motivation every day. You need consistent reminders of who you're becoming. Let's recap the 5 steps to build a growth mindset. Identify your fixed mindset triggers. Replace I can't with I can't yet. Focus on effort and learning. Turn failure into feedback. Feed your mind with growth-focused input. This mindset won't change your life overnight, but it will change the direction of your life. And direction is everything. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more mindset and motivation content, and comment below which step you're starting with today. Remember, growth isn't about being perfect. It's about getting better, one step at a time.